going to open my CapCut and choose the background that I want to use for my thumbnail. I'll go to my gallery and choose the Google background that I've downloaded. Then I will go to overlay to add the picture that I want to use for the thumbnail. Then after that, I will go to background remover to remove the background of this picture and adjust it to the side that I want the picture to appear. So I'm just going to remove the background from the picture and adjust the picture to the side that I want it to display on. So I'm just going to drag and just play around it and position it to a particular point that I'm comfortable with. So you can zoom it in, zoom it out, take it to the middle or take it to the edge. Anywhere you feel comfortable with the picture. Then I'm just going to go to my gallery and take out the logo of CapCut and just put at the other side of the thumbnail. The next thing that I want to do is to add text. So I'm going to add text and spell thumbnail and play around the front, the style, and just position it to a point that I'm comfortable with. So you can just play around it. You can see the different design, different colors of the front of the letters. You can just play around it and choose the one that you are most comfortable with. I'm going to add text again and spell tutorial and select the style, the font, the color that I'm also comfortable with and position it to the point that I want it to be. So I'm just playing around with the color, the font and the size, trying to get the right font for the tutorial that I just spelled. At this point, we are done with our thumbnail. I'm just going to screenshot it and go to my gallery and cut it out, like crop it, and our thumbnail is ready for use. So this is one of the simplest way in which you can make a beautiful thumbnail using CapCut. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Bye.